Oh wow, it took me like 5 minutes to set my camera up. The DJI mic too. Hopefully I'm on everything the correct way. Video. I'm on film Leica. That's what I liked the best on evening hours. So I'm gonna go see and give it a shot of this whole video. I do have another Insta360 with me. It's the Insta360 One X4. We just take the one out, call it the Insta360 X4. And I got the 3-meter pole. And I'm not dunking my camera in the water. I'm gonna just go out and have some fun filming. But did you take note? I'm on a different bike. I got the Cannondale Adventure 2 neoprene seat on. It is hard. And it's like grabs you, you can't move. Once you position, you're stuck like glue. This is the Huffy Parkside SE, as they call it. It's the metal frame, not the aluminum frame. So it's a heavier bike. And man, I tell you, I'm in the first gear and I'm pedaling. I got a little brake rub. I got a different back wheel from Huffy, which is smoother, not designed for any road. And I took it out. It's my marshland bike. I don't know how I rode it for those years, being low to the floor and all. Well, you know what? I'm going to turn my camera off and get ready to get to the land. Marsh, that is. And conserve some battery, because my first video that I shot this morning, I used like 60% the battery. 55 to be exact. I gotta set my camera up. Quick start's not starting. So I'll figure that part out. Oh, it was just hit the rocket ship. Make sure it goes blue and off you go. But maybe the mic didn't catch on. So let's go take the Insta360 and clamp and get on out of here. I think what I do is I'll keep the stick fully extended. And when I need to use it, I'll just start to bring it out like so. Get it a little further away. Oh, up ahead is a bird, man. I'm gonna scare it away. Maybe it's a quail. No. That's as close as we're gonna get. Red robin. So as you can see, the stick in the mud and everything, I'm bringing the stick in via hand. I'm not sure everybody did this before. Oh, did you just see that little thing that go by? I think I'll walk on. Give you a nice view from the top. Give you like an aerial view of drone flying to the side over here. And I'm all without the lens guard. Here we are. Come down to the water's edge over here. What a better spot. Oh, what a good spot to have a nice. How do you like that shot right there? How does it look to you? Can I make it look a little bit better? Sure. Actually, I cannot make it look better for the reasons of the weight of the camera is heavier than the pole's bottom, and it causes it to tilt forward. So we did a pretty good job. Well, I am now, you could say, officially, yes, with the Insta360 family. I'm shooting some video. I found a nice spot that I can attach my clamp to. I could crank down some. It fits the pole perfectly right in there. And then I could just keep this to the floor, loosen up, slide down, and close down. I don't have to be too high up, just as long as I get a grip. Don't want to lose my glasses, fish. Now, leverage is key. Too much leverage on top, you got a problem. So let's see if we can loosen this up. Give just a little angle for support. There we go. I think that would do just fine. I could raise it all the way up. My camera's on and do a You may shut off if I do that. Well, let's hit the record button and let's just raise this bad boy up. Now, how do I look? I'm in Leica film mode. 10 feet up in the air from the floor with the Insta360 X4, the DJI Mic Mini, and the DJI Mic 2. The X4 is watching a crane flying in a great distance. So there you go. I am happy. Looks good. Lens flare, can never get rid of it. And I got a flare that almost resembled a trumpet. I don't know if I want to keep coming in here, or maybe I'll go over there next time and lock my bike up a little further down the road and walk a different area. It's very buggy, and it's not even dead of spring or summer. What a beautiful day it is. I got my footage, I got my walk, I got my talk, because the next day or two may not be good. And I got projects to take care of and do and make sure they are done correctly. And I may have to just do 2 more orders and I'm good to go, man. Ah, I feel that cool breeze coming. Well, I am gonna pack up. Glad I got a shot. I don't know if you can see that plane flying, either camera or the bird that's over there, but the 360 catches it. You may see it as it's flying by, and there it goes into the sun over there. Now you should be able to see it, Ace 2 Pro. The Ace 2 Pro does need improvement. I can't improve the camera, only Insta360 can. I wish they could take the format like the Action 5 Pro, put it to the top so when you swipe down, swipe over, you don't have to swipe to the 3rd screen, but when you hit the cog gear, have it up in the front or make a 3rd screen for format. Maybe the opposite way where play is at. So you can do 2 screens this way, but can you do 2 screens that way? I'm going to try to get this to stop. I was with Insta360 talking to a gentleman for the remote mini and then the 360 stick, And problem was, he directed me to commerce, e-commerce. Gave me a trouble ticket. Like 5 emails later, finally, I still didn't get the voucher, but they said it's in there. I gave up. It's on Amazon. When they get the stock in, I'll be notified for one reserved. This way I can hit the stop button. Hand gesture don't work, but voice command will. I like to have it. I do need to order another tripod. I need to get the mounts. It's always good to have a couple extra things, but I'm gonna wait. I should have put this on endurance mode to conserve battery power, because this morning's vlog, I'm trying to put things together, and I had a problem with the SD card stopping, and I had a problem if it did record the flat Leica filter. It must have missed it. I'm still trying to edit it, put titles into it. But you know, sometimes you need a break to make more videos and have videos to edit. I'm gonna close this down. Show you how easy it is to close down. Just grab the stick. It's marked 240 meters here. Look how easy that pulls down. I got the stop button here. I heard the stop. I'm good. I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna close you down, pack up. Maybe I should put you away. And that's what I want to do. Think I got all I need here. Put my lens guards back on. Don't want to damage anything. I may take a white marker or a blue marker and mark my ends down. They didn't mark the front, they only marked inside and back. I will shut you down, bad boy. I will disconnect my cable, fold it in there, put my cover on. Well, I didn't know I had a little pouch in here to put things and SD cards. And slide this bad boy over and lock it down. There we go. Take this bad boy off. Shut you on down. I can't get this stick in because if you tighten this up too tight, it grips. Be careful when you tighten things on there. Remember that bottom pole may not go in. You gotta be 6 feet from the camera. And you have to be in view. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. I've noticed on my back my Leica filters were in the on position. So I'm not sure what it filmed in. If that metadata file tells us, then I'm going to look back there and check it out. So I am, you know, happy I got my stuff. I'm not carrying all my gear just to do a little video. One day I'll take the X4 in, and one day I'll take the Ace Pro in, and one day I'll take the Action 5 Pro in, and the Action 4 in. Well, I do need to find places to walk and do. Maybe I'll get down to the amusement park because it opened, I believe, last weekend. Yeah, man, what fun it is. Let's get on out of here. What type of animal do you think that is? if you got time on your hand, this is the camera for you. A lot of time is needed, the most time, because you get 360 degrees all around, and it takes a long time to edit. And you just sit there, remember the footage that you got, those moments. And I feel that I like the Ace Pro more over the X4. But the X4 I got for the reasons of I needed it for my reviews, in case I need to get something on a bike, a scooter, or a new product that requires me to be hands-free. Now, the Ace Pro is not going to be product reviewing yet, but I'll give it a shot and see what I can do. I like the way the Action 5 Pro works for my reviews. I can simply set it up and off I go. I'm done, just like that. Now, the Ace Pro, like I said in my early video, takes a lot of learning. Once I learn this camera, I'm good to go. I think I'm lost. I'll go this way. Yes, my camera is hot. It's been running. And I see my bike. It's hidden behind a tree. If you look straight ahead, we had a couple. They were filming in here, doing something. I don't see them now. Unless they packed up and they're just completing what they were doing. I gotta duck. Gotta watch my head. And I gotta get on out, pack on up, and get going. So on that note, I'm Fish. I'm gonna put you guys away. Have some fun another day.